If you need a laptop with power, portability, and performance, the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 is the right one for you. The question is, which one should you go for, as there are 3 models, all of which have a great performance. You will undoubtedly have a decision after seeing this video, so let's get started. Design and display. When it comes to the design, these 3 laptops are like identical triplets. They look alike. The 3 computers have the same aesthetic language. Apart from the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, all of the other models are available in graphite and beige aluminum finishes. Each one has a 3K 2880x1800 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 120% coverage of the DCI-P3 color space on its dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro clamshell variant is available in both 14 and 16-inch sizes, but the other models are only available in the 16-inch size. Being a convertible laptop, the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360 naturally has a touchscreen that can accept touches and an S Pen for additional input. When it comes to mobility, both the 14-inch and 16-inch versions of the Galaxy Book 3 Pro are manageable. However, the former weighs just 2.58 pounds, while the latter weighs 3.4 pounds. The lightest version of the Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360, the 5G version, weighs about 3.7 pounds. The convertible design makes it heavier and bulkier, and the modem and antennae necessary for 5G capability also contribute to this.
That's cool.
Last but not least, the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is the heaviest and bulkiest of the Pro series, weighing at least 3.9 pounds and measuring 16.9 millimeters thick. On the surface, it seems that all of the ports are identical. However, this is not the case, and we shall elaborate on that later. Specs. Intel's 13th generation Core i5 and i7 processors are available as upgrades for the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro and Pro 360, with the precise chipsets depending on where you're located. 8 GB, 16 GB, and 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory, as well as 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of PCIe SSD are all up for grabs. A 63 Wh battery powers the 14-inch model, while 76 Wh batteries power the 16-inch variants. A beautiful compact wall adapter is supplied, and everything can be charged through USB-C at 65 watts. The Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is a significant upgrade, with options for a 13th generation Core, i7 or i9 CPU, and a mobile GPU from NVIDIA's RTX series ranging from the 4050 to the 4070. In other words, the Ultra is in a far better position to deal with visually demanding tasks such as gaming. 16 GB or 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory and either 512 GB or 1 TB of PCIe SSD storage are available for customization on the Ultra. If you find you really need more space, the Ultra also contains an expansion slot.
That's awesome.
The Ultra likewise has a 76 Wh battery, but its 100 watts charging capability makes it the most powerful variant. If you want to see our full review of the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, you should subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. In addition to its impressive hardware, it will also provide you with a seamless transition across many devices, but more on that later. Ports and connectivity. As we said before, it seems the port configuration of all 3 Samsung Galaxy Book 3 laptops is identical at first glance. There is an HDMI connector, a 3.5mm audio jack, and 2 Thunderbolt 4 connections. That's an excellent framework for any application. There are, however, 2 key distinctions. One example is that the Galaxy Book 3 Pro and Pro 360 have HDMI capability, but just HDMI 1.4. If you want to utilize a 4K display at 60 frames per second, you'll need to use one of the Thunderbolt connections. Only the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra supports HDMI 2.0. The second distinctive characteristic is that only the Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360 offers cellular connectivity as an optional extra. Samsung's convertible is the only one that has 5G connectivity and it's not accessible on any other device. Having a 5G laptop eliminates the need to depend on shaky Wi-Fi or unsafe public networks, so you can access the internet from almost anywhere. Multi-platform interactivity. Samsung's Galaxy Book 3 laptops include the company's Galaxy ecosystem. Apps and services from Samsung, such as Samsung Gallery and Smart Switch, are pre-installed. In addition, it has multi-control and second screen capabilities, letting users manage other Galaxy devices from their computers and share content through copy and paste, for example, across devices.
Impressive!
Besides, the laptops can use the Expert RAW Auto Share function. This allowed customers to instantly transfer their Expert RAW captured images to their Galaxy Book 3 computers for editing in Adobe Lightroom. The purchase of a Galaxy Book 3 laptop from Samsung now includes a complimentary 2-month membership to Adobe Lightroom. The laptops also have a 1080p full high definition, FHD camera, 2 high-quality microphones, and active noise cancellation. The laptops include a quad speaker configuration consisting of 2 AKG-backed 5 watts woofers and 2 2 watts tweeters that are Dolby Atmos compatible. Samsung adds that quad AKG speakers and Dolby Atmos make for a premium audio experience, whether you're streaming, gaming, or listening to a conference call. To sum it all up, Samsung's Galaxy Book 3 lineup has enhanced hardware, including larger and more vivid AMOLED displays, 13th generation Intel Core CPUs, and a new flagship model equipped with NVIDIA's newest laptop GPU. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro with a 14-inch screen can be purchased for a starting price of $1,449. For $1,899, you can get a Samsung Book 3 Pro 360 with a 16-inch touchscreen and a 360-degree hinge. And last, the 16-inch Galaxy Book 3 Ultra costs $2,399 and higher. Samsung keeps improving on its devices, so no surprise there if it garners a lot of hype. The Z Fold 5 is another Samsung smartphone that is attracting attention. Although it hasn't yet been launched, everything we have heard thus far about it, such a better hinge, is exciting. For more information on that, watch our next video. Thanks for watching.